Good evening. Happy Friday to you. I'm Jessa Brycebeck.
And I'm Natalie Shepard. Let's get to our top story tonight.
Yeah, Milwaukee health officials say U.S. Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. is once again getting the facts wrong about how the federal government is helping with the lead crisis at Milwaukee public schools. AJ
Bayatpour is here with the latest from both Kennedy and the health department. AJ.
Well, Natalie Jessup, Secretary Kennedy first clashed with Democratic Senator Tammy Baldwin during a congressional hearing earlier this week. Both Baldwin and the Milwaukee Health Department say Kennedy is flat out wrong to have said, quote, a team from the CDC was helping out here. Kennedy was then asked about his remarks in a new interview, and city health officials say he is still being dishonest. In an interview with CNN Thursday, Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. maintains Milwaukee is getting federal support with the MPS lead crisis.
Do you know who is on the ground? Who
the
were you under the
CDC is giving them assistance with their labs, their analytics, and advice.
A spokesperson for the Milwaukee Health Department responds Friday, saying, quote, Secretary Kennedy continues to misstate the facts about what is happening in Milwaukee. The only recent federal involvement was a short 2-week visit from a single CDC laboratory service fellow to assist with the validation of a new instrument.
They just said one technician was on the ground.
I can't tell you how many are on the ground in the city of Milwaukee, but I can tell you we are there.
The back and forth first ramped up Tuesday during a Senate committee hearing.
We have a team in Milwaukee, and we're giving laboratory support to the analytics in Milwaukee.
There are no staff on the ground deployed to Milwaukee to address the lead exposure of children in schools.
I'm not necessarily believing what Senator Baldwin
So you're
is.
disputing and saying that there are more than one CDC employees
like I said, we have 62,000 employees. I'm not sure how many we have deployed to Milwaukee.
One number that is certain, inspectors have so far found dangerously high lead levels in 9 MPS schools. City health officials say the CDC rejected their request for help in April because the Trump administration laid off the agency's lead experts. In Friday's statement, they added, quote, MHD agrees lead exposure is a public health crisis, particularly in black and brown communities, but Secretary Kennedy's repeated mischaracterizations do not reflect the reality on the ground in Milwaukee. Words from Washington don't change the fact Milwaukee has been left to manage this crisis alone. Well, MPS is hosting a town hall this coming Wednesday to offer an update on the situations at 4 of the affected schools: Starnes Early Childhood Center, La Follette School, and the Brown Street and West Side Academies. It'll be at Rufus King Middle School, and it starts at 6 Wednesday night. Natalie, Jessup.
AJ Bayatpour in the studio. AJ, thank you.